Hello and welcome back. Before we jump into tricky subtraction, I wanted to cover subtraction using Abacus. In our previous videos, we've already seen how do we represent numbers in an Abacus, but let's quickly cover it once again. So the first column that we have here is the ones column, and this column is the tens column. Same for all the abacuses that we see. So here we are subtracting two numbers. What numbers are they? Let's check. First number has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 in the ones column. And what's there in the tens column? It's 1, 2, 3. So the first number is 35. And the second number, we have 2 in ones column and 1 in tens column. So we are doing 35 minus 12. How do we subtract using Abacus? First step is very simple. Take the entire first number and copy it over. So you got 5 from the 5 ones in the first number and 3 from the 3 tens in the first number. So you have 35 here. Now we start subtraction. We'll start subtraction from the ones column. So what are we going to do? We are going to take away 2 beads from the 5 beads that are there in the ones column. What do we get when we do 5 minus 2? You're right, it's 3. We take 2 steps back from 5. 4, 3. So 5 minus 2 is 3. Here we get 3. Same we'll do for the tens position. So in ones we got 3 as an answer. And in tens position, we'll do 3 minus 1. 1 step back from 3, it would give us 2. You're right. So in tens position, we'll get 2. So 35 minus 12 gives us 23. That's how we do subtraction using Abacus. Let's solve another question really quickly. Here is our second question. Can you tell me what numbers are we subtracting? Let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in ones position in the first number. And in tens place we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First number is 58. Let's go to the second number. How many numbers in ones place? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 in ones and 2 in tens. So we are doing 58 minus 26. Let's copy over the entire first number in the final. And now we have 8 minus 6. What will we get? 6 steps back from 8. That would give us 2. You're right. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps back. That brings us to number 2. So we got 2. And now we have 5 minus 2. So 2 steps back from 5. You're right. It gives us 3 beads. So just take away 2 beads. 1, 2. And we get 1, 2, 3 beads remaining. So 58 minus 26 gives us 32. Excellent. Hope you understood how we subtract using Abacus. In the next section, we'll understand the tricky subtractions where we have to borrow from tens place. Practice a few more questions using your own Abacus. It'll become really easy for you to do this. Thank you for watching.